If you're a fan of staycations and you're planning a trip to Negril really soon, you'll want to watch this video. So I recently stayed at the Ocean Cliff Resort on Western Negril, and here are 3 reasons why you should visit too. Ocean Cliff is all about breathtaking views and seclusion. It's perched right on the cliffs of Western Negril with a backdrop of the Caribbean Sea, a bundle of thoughtful amenities, private balconies, cozy rooms, and top-notch service. To be honest, I slept so well after that long journey from Kingston. The bed was really comfortable and the room basically has all the amenities that you'll need. The cabin that we stayed in was the seaside handcrafted stone cottage. The cottage gives you a view of the ocean and it also has a private patio. At the heart of Ocean Cliff lies Blue Maho, a foodie's haven. I honestly can say I enjoyed every single meal that they served me that weekend. They have a perfect mix of Jamaican and American cuisine, so you can get your lobster, you can get your steak, you can get your lamb, but then you can also get curry goat and you can also get fried chicken. And if you're feeling extra bougie or luxurious, you can elevate your experience with some additional services. They recently added their floating breakfast option, so guests can now enjoy their breakfast while chilling in the pool, while in a private setting, all while overlooking the ocean. I don't know about you, but when I'm on vacation, I don't want to be worried about transportation. Ocean Cliff is conveniently located near Negril's lively heart and the cultural vibes of the West End. So basically, this spot puts you in the center of it all.
I never tried it for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. It's not the way that you want me to tell me with this all thing coming on. I never tried it, oh baby. This love will make me the starting. No, I'm